Hello, Assalamu alaikum students. Assalamu alaikum everyone.
Assalamu alaikum teacher.
Walaikum salam.
Assalamu
Beta.
alaikum, teacher.
How are you all? Sorry, beta, in the morning.
Fine teacher, how about you?
Alhamdulillah, beta. Sorry, beta. In the morning, I was not having electricity, and right now as well now. Okay, more students are joining. Let's.
Assalamu alaikum miss.
Walaikum salam. Let all the students join.
Assalamu alaikum miss.
Walaikum salam, beta.
Assalamu alaikum teacher.
Walaikum salam, dear. How are you all?
Fine, how are you? Fine, and you?
Amna, Reja, Biha, Danish, open the video. Otherwise, I will remove those students from the class. Please.
मिस मैंने और हमें कल टेंस सेंटेंसेस बनाने के लिए थे मिस मैंने बनाए
Wait. After recitation, we will start everything. First, let all the students join the class. Ji, more students are joining us. Okay.
Just wait, I am bringing my copy.
All the girls should cover the hat. Rafi, do recitation, beta.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس إله الناس من شر الوسواس الخناس الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس صدق الله العظيم.
Subhanallah, beta.
Assalamu alaikum, miss.
Walaikum salam. Okay, have you done yesterday assignment, everyone?
Yes, teacher.
But no one signed the picture except Sinan. Sinan के अलावा मुझे किसी ने पिक्चर नहीं सेंड की.
मिस कल मैं रात को भूल गया था पिक्चर सेंड करने के लिए.
So I'm telling you, you have
यहाँ
to
पे
copy
यूनिट
marks.
1 का सिर्फ टाइटल पेज में आ रहा है.
Listen carefully, students.
नहीं,
You
यहाँ
have
पे
copy marks that I will deduct. If you don't complete your assigned work and class work on time, and you won't send a picture to me, I will start deducting the marks of yours. Simple. So I want all the students show me the work at once, please.
Miss, do we have to make the unit 1 title page here?
Yesterday I told na beta, yes. Shall I move forward now?
Yes.
Okay. I'm starting the class with the name of Allah, who is most beneficent, most merciful. So our today's topic is kinds of sentences. I'm sharing this lecture. You have to pen down in the copy. Everyone should pen down this lecture in the copy quickly. We already have done this lecture, all types of sentences. So please pen down this lecture. After subject and predicate practice, you have to pen down this lecture. 4 kinds of sentences. Ji Sinan bete. Speak up Sinan.
Teacher, we have to write lecture with pencil.
जी बेटे पेंसिल से लिखेंगे.
Okay, teacher.
As I told you, the practice as well, no one will fear until and unless they will show picture to me. ठीक है बेटे? Don't do any fear work in the copy until and unless you will show picture to me. Show me picture. I will okay, find out correction. Then I will allow you to do a fair work. Before that, you are not allowed. Clear? Send me picture through WhatsApp and through university of the work with pencil. Then you can do a fair work in the copy. Okay. We already had done assertive sentences are declarative. Imperatives. Imperatives are without subject. In that subject, it's not written, but it's understood. It means you. Interrogative sentence, we already have done it. An exclamatory, which shows excitement and the sudden movement and feeling, strong feelings. Please pen down with example this complete lecture and then do practice of your own. After the lecture, practice of your own, please. जी बेटे राफे. Speak up, Rafi, bete.
Miss, do we have to write this with pen?
No, pencil. Lecture always write with pencil. The practice you will do also with pencil unless you will show picture to me. After showing picture, I will do correction. Then you can fear it. I don't want any untidy work. Ji Fatma Mohsin, speak up.
Miss, because of electricity failure, I don't know the homework.
Better you have to practice subject and predicate. That was the assignment of your yesterday. That was the yesterday assignment. मैंने आपसे topic share किया था. The definition of sentence and parts of sentence we did yesterday. I will show it to you. मैं आज आपको दोबारा review करवा दूंगी complete lecture of sentence. Yesterday we did the definition of sentence, parts of sentence, and the practice. And today we are doing kinds of sentence and practice. And I'll be showing the first lesson central idea as well. The first lesson, mother to son, we will start today. Ji Mubashir, speak up. Unmute करें बेटे आप.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम मिस. मिस आपने अभी क्या करवाया है?
बेटे हमने आपको लेक्चर लिखवा रहे हैं 4 kinds of sentences.
ये मिस कॉपी में फेयर कॉपी में करना है?
जी बेटे, you have to do in the fair copy.
Okay.
With pencil. Yesterday have you done the practice, Mubashir? आपने practice की थी?
मिस
आपने कल का लेक्चर पेन डाउन किया था बेटे?
मिस कौन सा लेक्चर मिस?
बेटे आप कल क्लास में प्रेजेंट थे?
जी मिस.
आपने सिलेबस उतारा?
जी.
सिलेबस के बाद आपने लेक्चर लिखा?
जी मिस, वो आपने करवाया था क्या? वो सेंटेंस और प्रीडिकेट मिस आपने करवाया था कुछ?
जी, उसके पार्ट्स आपने प्रैक्टिस की?
नो मिस.
क्यों? Mubashir, we have a copy marks, 5 marks. I will cut it if you don't do practice. I will not accept any lame excuse. Today is the submission date. It means today you have to do. I will give only 1 day now for the assignment. I will not accept after that. Please do mark it, do note it. If you don't do copy work on time, I will be deducting your copy marks. Please understand the lecture, ask the question if you did not understand, make it clear and do assignment on time, please.
और अभी मिस ये करना है जो 4 kinds of scientific एग्जाम पे.
आपने होमवर्क नहीं किया, leave 1 page and after leaving 1 page do this lecture with pencil. Rafi, open the video. Amna, open the video. जी मुबशिर बेटे, क्यों इतना परेशान करते हैं?
नहीं एक आप कह रही हैं एक पेज छोड़ो, वो मिस प्रैक्टिस के लिए हम छोड़ रहे हैं.
जी बेटे, आपके होमवर्क के लिए.
ओके.
जो आपने नहीं किया. I hope I am clear. Show thumbs up, bete, everyone. Vania is joining the class. Bete, quickly pen down lecture. We have to move forward quickly. It was the previous work which we are doing. We have to move forward and we have to complete the Fordham's label. It's very lengthy. We have to start the literature work as well. Please quickly pen down. This we already had done. Quickly with it. जी वानिया बेटे स्पीक अप. बेटे आमना आपका कैमरा हमेशा ही क्लोज होता है बेटे, क्यों? Why do you close the camera all the time? जी
मिस
बेटे,
आप मुझे बता
have you done
मिस आप मुझे
yesterday
बता
assignment?
Miss,
Have you done yesterday assignment, Vania?
Miss, we can write this word before subject and predicate.
और मिस अभी आप क्या करवा रही हैं?
Bete, we are doing 4 kinds of sentences. Pen down this lecture in the copy with pencil. Copy से उतारें, please. Pen down in the copy.
Miss, we can write this word before subject and predicate.
Ji bete, this is kind of sentence. Move forward, I will explain afterward. Done, dear? Have you all done? Yesterday I have given syllabus, the first lecture of sentences. The assignment was practice of parts of sentences, and today we are doing kinds of sentences. All the students first open the camera, please. Vania, otherwise I am removing you from the class. Yusra, Amna, everyone should open the video. What are you doing right now? Show me. Everyone should show me the copy. What are you doing right now? Please. I want the copy of language in the hand. Show me the copy of language in the hand. Ali Salman, show me the copy. Amna, show me copy. Vania, show me copy. Mubashir Dania, please open video. Show me copy. Ji Amna bete. Humaira, where are you? I want the copy. Please show me. What are you doing right now? Show me that. Have you written syllabus? Have you done practice? Ansal bete, show me copy of language.
Teacher, I am saying I have done my work and I have also WhatsApp you.
Okay,
The
thank
yesterday's
you.
sentences and today's lecture.
Okay, I'll be forwarding after checking it. Ji Ansal bete.
Okay.
Miss, I want to say that you can share literature syllabus again because
I will
it is
share.
deleted.
Definitely, I'll be sharing when I will start the work. Right now, we are doing language work. Please do it now. Quickly.
Okay, Miss, thank you.
Ji bete Vania. Vania bete, unmute yourself. Vania, you are not unmute bete. Unmute yourself. Have you done the lecture? Ji Rafe. Rafe, use Zoom option na bete.
Miss, please share the screen. I am on the last one.
Okay, bete, let all the students open the video first. Ali Salman, Dania, Danish, Anaya. I'm removing you from the class. Show me language copy. What are you doing right now?
हाँ ये मैंने सिलेबस तो लिख
Very
लिया,
good,
लेकिन
Rafiq,
आज का
Sinan.
लेक्चर लिखना है।
Quickly show me copy, Zayan. Show
मिस
me
आप
copy.
लेक्चर्स
Ji bete, I'm doing. Danish, open video. Show me language copy. Very good, Alisha, Batul, Rafe.
शेयर द
Now show
स्क्रीन।
me copy. Copy show कीजिए Yusra. Bete, please, I want the copy in your hand. Amsal, show me copy. Ali Salman, Raja, show me copy. बेटे ये आप मुझे उर्दू का काम क्यों दिखा रहे हैं? जी युसरा, am I उर्दू टीचर बेटे? युसरा my dear, I'm asking about the language copy. आप मुझे उर्दू की कॉपी क्यों दिखा रही हैं बेटे? What is wrong with you बेटे? Show me English language copy. Have you written syllabus? आपने syllabus लिखा? Have you penned down the last lecture? Please do let me know. Today you all have to send complete picture to me, please. The language syllabus, the language title page, the language first lecture, and today's lecture. If you don't, I'll be deducting -1 marks of everyone who will not send, except Sinan, Fatna Mohsin, Rafi, and Abia, because they already had sent to me. Now I'm sharing the screen again. Look at the lectures. This is today's lecture, and after this lecture you have to practice. Leave the practice page and the next page make a title page, poem Mother to Son. Quickly.
मिस और
After this lecture, leave one page for homework. After this lecture, leave one page for homework, and the next page, you have to make a title page, poem Mother to Son. Ji bete Sinan.
टीचर which homework?
Bete, I will be giving the practice of all kinds of sentences.
Okay टीचर।
After this lecture, leave one page for assignment, only one page. Ji bete, Abhiya, speak up. Why did you raise the hand? Done lecture? Very good. Now leave one page for practice, and the next page, make a title page, poem Mother to Son. जी वानिया बेटे,
कंफर्म करो टीचर से।
मिस सिलेबस के बाद करना क्या है? सिलेबस के बाद कौन सा लेक्चर लिखना है?
बेटे आप कल क्लास में प्रेजेंट थी मेरा बच्चा?
मिस मेरी लाइट चली गई थी
अच्छा मैंने
जब
आपको,
सिलेबस।
नो प्रॉब्लम बेटे, टीचर ने आपको व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में आई हैव शेयर्ड एवरीथिंग, इंडेक्स एज वेल, द सिलेबस एज वेल एंड द फर्स्ट लेक्चर एज वेल. डिड यू गो थ्रू इट? Have you checked the group of class 6?
ठीक है, आप टीचर को बताओ कि मैंने सिलेबस लिख लिया है, मुझे लेक्चर लिखना बाकी है।
मिस मैंने सिलेबस लिख लिया, बस लेक्चर लिखना बाकी है।
Okay बेटे, don't
Yes, I have done.
Very good, Rafi. Vania, listen it carefully. After syllabus, you have to make the title page of Unit 1. ठीक है? After title page of Unit 1, you have to write the yesterday lecture. जो कल का lecture था, ठीक है? Then you have to do practice of parts of sentence. Parts of sentence, what are the parts of sentence? Subject and predicate. ठीक है? And today we are doing kinds of sentences. Fine. Then after this today's lecture, leave one page for homework, the practice one, and then make a title page, poem Mother to Son. Shall I move forward? Everyone do let me know, shall I move forward? Teacher move kare bete. Thumbs up, show me thumbs up bete please. Ansar, speak up. Have you all penned down the lecture? Leave one page for practice. आप सबने lecture लिख लिया बेटे?
नो मिस, मैंने एक्चुअली प्लीज आप थोड़ी देर और शेयर कर दें.
बेटे take a screenshot ना. I'll be sharing through WhatsApp as well.
यार वो
बेटे please mute yourself. Yes, now I'm moving forward. The lecture I'll be sharing through WhatsApp group as well. So please go through the group all the time. Be attentive. Okay? Today's complete lecture I'll be sharing through WhatsApp group as well. Am I clear? Okay. Leave one page for practice. After that, do this work, please. The title page of Unit 1. Lesson 1. The poem, it is Mother to Son. You know, it's a poem by Langston Hughes. He teaches in this poem, the mother was teaching a lesson to a boy. So whenever you are facing the difficult time, don't give up. Fine, because hardship come in everyone's life. Because in life we have both the moment, na? Sometimes the good moment as well, sometimes the bad moment as well. So in this poem, the mother is guiding the son that whenever you are facing any trouble, don't give up. You have to make the title page of this poem. The first poem, Mother to Son, it is written by Langston. So in this poem, a mother is teaching a lesson to a boy. Fine. And the writer is describing and teaching a lesson to other people. Fine. In the poem, he expresses that the mother is teaching. Ji bete Sinan. Speak up bete.
Teacher, we have to write this central idea.
Ji bete, I'll be sharing through WhatsApp group right now. Understand it.
Okay, teacher.
I'll be sharing the picture through WhatsApp group. Don't worry about it. Fine. Only understand right now. Complete lecture I'll be sharing through WhatsApp group. Go through your group daily. Clear? So the first poem, it is Mother to Son. So the mother is guiding the son that don't scared of hardship. मतलब आपको डरना नहीं है मुश्किलों से. Whatever hardships are coming, whatever difficult time it's coming in the life, you should not lose hope. ठीक है ना? आपको मुकाबला करना है अपनी problems को resolve करना. You have to find solution for that. ठीक है? So this is a motivational poem. Fine. It is giving a courage. So mother is giving a courage to a boy. Then what you should do? You should move on and on. Ji bete abhiya.
Teacher, I am asking that we have to write this after the title page of Mother to Son with a blue pointer, right?
With pencil.
With pencil.
Ji.
Okay. Miss, can I start writing?
Yes, you can. I hope it is clear to everyone. This picture I'll be sharing through WhatsApp group as well. If you wish to pen down right now, you can pen down. It's very emotional poem and very motivational poem. So in a very nice manner, the mother is guiding the son. Like whatever hard time, whatever difficult time, whatever hardship is coming in your life, you should face it. You should not give up. Sometimes people are scared ना, वो डर जाते हैं, आगे नहीं बढ़ना चाहते. So what we have to do, we should not give up. You know, look, so the writer is comparing. Do you know the life of mother? How hard it is. The life of mother is very hard. Your mother is facing all the difficult time, all the hardship, but she never give up. She never take rest and she move on and on. Is this? आपकी मम्मा हर वक्त काम करती रहती है ना? मम्मा को तो वीकेंड भी नहीं मिलता. Daily she is facing the tough time. Daily she is giving everything to you. Is that so? So whatever trouble is coming, whatever problem is coming, but the mother did not give up. Mother क्या करते हैं? She managed, find solution and move on and on to make you win. Is this clear? So the advice of mother is that, look at me, my son, how I am facing the life, how I am doing everything. I'm moving on and on. So just like that, whenever hardship and the trouble is coming on your way, what you should do, you should not stop, you should not give up. You should move on and on, face it, find solution and move on. Bete, we have 4-5 minutes. The class time will be ended. Quickly pen down and understand. If you did not understand, you can ask right now. Anyone wish to ask? जी अभी आप कुछ पूछना चाह रही हैं बेटे? Okay. Anyone else? Did you understand this poem, bete? All the vocabulary and everything tomorrow. Bete, use Zoom option to raise hand. Tomorrow I'll be sharing all the vocabulary of this first poem. ठीक है? Tomorrow we will do. जी पूछिए बेटे.
मिस हमें आपने जो स्क्रीन शेयर करनी है मिस उसमें इसका हमने क्या करना है?
बेटे, you have to pen down this lecture. After the kinds of sentences, G. After kinds of sentences, leave one page for practice, and this is today's lecture. Kind of sentence to हमारा previous lecture है, which we already had done. But now we are doing in the copy. But this is today's lecture. This is
Okay, miss, I am taking it.
जी बेटे, ये आपका today's lecture है. The central idea of the poem, the theme, the major theme of the poem. जी बेटे, अलीशा बतूल, speak up. पूछे अलीशा बतूल बेटे.
Yes, miss, we have to write this in the copy with pointer.
जी बेटे, you have to do in the fair copy with pencil.
Miss.
Yusra, you are not doing anything in the copy. I am watching you. आप कुछ copy में नहीं कर रही. Only you are sitting. Nothing is in your hand. No pencil. Nothing in the copy. But where is the thing? Where are the things now? क्यों आप ऐसे रफ बैठी हैं?
Miss,
Careless attitude. Very careless
Miss.
attitude बेटे. जी पूछे बेटे.
Miss, I take a screenshot.
Very good. But you should show me a copy of yours ना.
Yes, Miss, I have.
यूसरा, आपकी कॉपी दिखाएं बेटे मुझे. Show me language copy, please. Show me
Miss?
the work syllabus. Have you returned?
मिस वो आपने कहा ना कि अभी हम ये लिखें
जी
जितना हो सके.
जी जी.
मिस मैंने ये लिखा है. मैंने सेंटर आइडिया भी लिखना था.
जी बेटे, I'll be sharing through WhatsApp group as well. The class time ended, my dear. Complete lecture I'll be sharing through WhatsApp group. Please be attentive, be responsible, and daily do work on time. Reja, पूछें बेटे.
टीचर, आपने जो भी दिखाया था मटर टू सन भी लेक्चर है क्या?
जी मेरा बेटा ये लेक्चर है. I'll be sharing through WhatsApp group. मैं आपको शेयर कर दूंगी WhatsApp ग्रुप से. Be attentive.
टीचर हमें पेंसिल पूरा लिखना होगा. टीचर we have to write with pencil or pen.
बेटे with pencil.
Okay, thank you teacher.
पूछे मुबशिर बेटे.
ये में सेंट्रल आइडिया हमें अभी हम लिख रहे होंगे ना, अभी लिखेंगे ना अभी.
जी बेटे I'll be sharing through WhatsApp group. Very
बस आप
good.
व्हाट्सएप पे भी
Sure बेटे, definitely I'll be sharing it. Today's lecture. Don't worry about it. Did you all understand this poem? Tomorrow
Yes.
I'll be sharing complete vocabulary and all the lines in detail. Today we have done the central idea. Tomorrow we'll be doing in detail with meaning all lines of the poem. Am I clear? The class time ended, my dear. I love this everyone. Have a good day ahead. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.